Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nazirul Nafiah. My student ID is 21042. Here I will explain the influence of work experience and training on internal auditor competition. Introduction. Based on the strategy plan of the Inspectorate General of the Ministry of Education and Culture, Research and Technology, among others, ticketing the quality and quantity of human resource, it is still limited, where not all human resources under the Inspectorate General of the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology have qualified expertise in the field of supervision, both of skill and hard skill. So, this will cause supervision to not fully provide add value for the ministry. The implementation of audit has focused more on financial audit, which has resulted in very minimal audit on program substance, seeing as the demand for assessment of output or outcome on performance audit go on. Auditor has less time to complete academic studies and other development. The role of training is very important to improve work abilities and performance. So, auditors are required to have the knowledge and skill to be competent in carrying out supervision. Goals. This research aims to test simultaneously or partially whether there is influence work experience or training on the competence posed by internal auditor on Inspectorate General of the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology. Methodology. In this study, two independent variable values, namely work experience for X1, training for X2. Meanwhile, the dependent variable Y is competence. This type of research is a quantitative study with a proportional sampling method with a total sample of 74 auditors. The data for this study was by distributing questionnaire to 74 auditors of the Inspectorate General of the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology. The data analysis method is multiple linear analysis. Result and discussion. The influence of work experience on auditor competence. The result of the study showed that work experience has a particularly significant effect on the competence of the internal auditor of the Inspectorate General of the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology. This showed that if the work experience processed by the internal auditor increase, then competence will also increase. Based on the result of the multiple linear regression analysis, it showed that the more often auditors follow training, the auditor's competency will increase. This means that the greater the experience, the competence tend to increase. To improve work ability, it is necessary to add work experience. With the work experience you have, it can be used a profession to carry out future tasks. Give the need for work experience to complete the job properly and correctly, so it is hoped that the work performance will also be good. Competence will be related to good performance. Individual work performance will also significantly affect performance. The influence of partial training on auditor competence. The result of the study showed that training has a partially significant effect on the competence of the internal auditor of the Inspectorate General of the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology. This shows that if training increase, competence will also increase. In order to improve the competence of auditors, it is necessary to have professional certification training for auditors. With later, this training will be used as a recruitment for someone to be appointed as an auditor. Case study. Perception study at the Inspectorate of the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology states that work experience and training have an influence on the auditor's skill or competence. Job analysis. To improve your position, you need work experience and some training because these two things can improve worker skill. Conclusion. Based on the result of the analysis that has been done before, it can be concluded that work experience has a significant influence on competition, where auditor who have more work experience will be more competent. The auditor experience can be seen in terms of how long the auditor has worked and the number of audit assessments carried out. Because the long and more auditor carried audit assessment, the more competent, then training has a significant effect on competence. The relationship between these two variables is that the auditor must attend training on an ongoing basis so that in carrying out audit work, he will be more trained and easier and more understandable in conducting audit. On the other hand, simultaneously, work experience and training have a significant influence on the competence of the auditor, having a very strong relationship with the competence of the auditor. That's all I can say. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.